This movie describes how to use the pair of activities, Mystery Sums, Parts 1 and 2. We're given 4 letters, A, B, C, and D, and each has been assigned a secret numerical value between 1 and 10. Our goal is to figure out the values of these letters, and it could be that 2 or more letters share the same numerical value. To gather clues, we can drag the letters across this vertical divider. So I'm going to drag A and B, and I learn that the sum of the 2 letters, A plus B, is equal to 12. Now I only learn information about the sum when there are 2 letters sitting to the right of the divider. If I should drag a 3rd letter, well, sorry, I'm not given any information. So I'm going to drag A back across the divider to where it started, and perhaps I'll drag D across. So now I learn that B plus D is equal to 11. By gathering enough clues, I can solve for the secret values of A, B, C, and D. And to check, I can press Show Answer to reveal the values. And to play again, I can press New Problem. Now as it's currently set up, the values of A through D are between 1 and 10. But I can make this more challenging by changing my upper limit. So perhaps instead of having an upper limit of 10, I'll make an upper limit of 40 so that the values of A through D can be anything from 1 through 40. Another version of this game allows you to play with a classmate. If I was playing with you, I'd ask you to turn away for a moment, and then I'd change the values of A through B, assigning them new numerical values. So here's a few examples. And with these values in place, I would then press Hide Answer. And now you could turn around and it'd be your job to figure out the values of A, B, C, and D, doing just what we did before, dragging 2 of them across at a time. Finally, there's a version of this game where we have, instead of A, B, C, and D, we have A, B, negative B, and C. And these values for these 3 letters range from negative 10 to positive 10. And as before, we can drag any 2 of them across. So we see here that the sum of A and negative B is equal to negative 6. So this explains how to use parts 1 and 2 of Mystery Sums, Deduce the Unknown Addends.